Let's have the biggest playtime ever! Yay! Let's explore space! Wow! Mission complete! That was so much fun!
Let's go!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, that was close. I could have got hurt.
Our next mission is Captain Cleanup! Let's keep everything in place. Books on the shelf. Cars in the garage. Yay!
Now it's easy to find everything.